Hey, so I got a call from a friend of mine that their garage door wasn't closing, and every time they pushed it, it would go down slightly and then pop back up. I know a lot of people already know this, but figured if one person doesn't know it, maybe others need to know it as well. This video might be good for some first-time home buyers. But if you're having issues with your garage door closing, before you call out a garage door company, just take a look at these two sensors. You have one on each side of your garage door. And these are sensors basically that keep everybody in your household safe from the garage door shutting on a person. They'll shoot across the driveway, they'll shoot across the garage floor here, I should say, and they just pick up any type of object that's in the way of the door closing. So what you want to do is check both of these sensors first. The first part you want to check is check the back here, and just make sure they are screwed in tightly and properly. If not, that's an easy fix with a Phillips head screwdriver. Second thing you want to do is you can kind of move this guy around a little bit. There's a little bit of flexibility, and you want this light to be pointing across to your other sensor on the other side. And when you do that correctly, you'll see a little green light on a lot of these sensors. The light will actually show up. But sometimes all this takes is a little upward or downward motion, in or out, just because it's gotten kicked a lot of times by kids or people moving things in the garage. It gets kicked, it gets all out of whack. All it takes is a little hand adjustment or a little Phillips head tightening of the screws in the back. I always recommend trying this before you call an overhead door company or a garage door company. The other thing I recommend is, if this is truly what is happening to you, what I like to do is block it a little bit by putting a heavy tub. This is where we keep all of our baseballs at our house. So keep a bucket of balls or something there to block it. Hopefully that prevents it from getting kicked and misaligned in the future. Now, if you're really in a bind and you just can't figure it out and you need your garage door closed, for security reasons and safety reasons, obviously, until you can get a garage door company or garage door expert out to your house, there's an override button on all of these garage door openers. All you have to do is physically hold the button down the entire time, and the door will close all the way to the ground. It overrides those sensors. Obviously, just make sure that everything's free of the sensors and you don't have any little kids or pets wandering through the garage door area.